Greetings from Krakow. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but you wouldn't be able to tell that by looking outside, for as you can see in the window behind me, it is black as midnight. So, the question before us today is, what do you think when you see this? That's correct, it is toilet paper, and it's pink. Unscented. But what you may not know, just from looking at this single roll of toilet paper, is that it's for puppies. Yes, that's right. Here in Poland, not only can we buy toilet paper in a wide array of colours ranging from pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, haven't seen purple, and occasionally floral print, but we also can buy toilet paper for our puppies, our extra large puppies. For the pet owners that truly care. It's a wonderful country. But if you're wondering what that noise is in the background, it's the refrigerator. It does this all the time.
Puppy paper, puppy paper, paper, puppy paper, puppy paper, paper, puppy paper.